This is a Manitoba emergency alert. Due to rapidly spreading wildfires and extreme fire conditions, Manitoba has declared a provincial state of emergency effective immediately. Multiple wildfires continue to threaten many communities, infrastructure and natural resources. Evacuation orders and alerts are in effect in northern Manitoba. Air quality continues to be impacted across the province. Follow all evacuation orders and emergency instructions from local authorities. Visit MB Ready at https://mbreadymanitoba.ca for more information about emergency alerts and safety, as well as resources for evacuees. Avoid travel through affected areas. Check www.manitoba511.ca before traveling to ensure road access remains available. Monitor local news and social media for up-to-date information.